how to check flight status on Xiamen Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check flight status on Xiamen Airlines. So let us go. What do you do first? The first step is for you to log in into your account, just like I've done here, or you can just visit the Xiamen Airlines website. So once you're on the website, this is how the website's page looks like. On this page, scroll down to the section where you can see book flights, flight status, my trip, optional services. So click on flight status. And clicking on flight status, we brought to the flight status page. On this page, you can see departure and arrival, then flight number. Yeah, right? So you can now, that means that you have two options for you to check your flight status. If you want to make use of the departure and arrival option, select departure and arrival, and then you have to select your departure city or airport here. Okay, then also select your destination city and airport here. Then once you've done that, you have to enter in the dates that you selected while booking the flight. Those dates, you have to select the dates that you selected while booking the flight. So after doing that, click on search, and then your flights will be tracked and details will be displayed to you. Now for making use of flight number, just select flight number option and then enter in the flight number. Your flight number would have been sent to you to your email together with your e-ticket after booking the flight. So in order to get your flight number, just go to the email and check through the details and you'll see your flight number there. Then select the date, click on search, and then your flight status will also be displayed. So in case you are wondering, this is how it works. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up in order to encourage us to make more enlightening videos such as this. Thank you everybody, and have a good day.